So now you are going to prepare sushi.
Yes. Sushi roll, tempura roll.
You know sushi is Japanese dish.
Yes.
Yes.
Now we mix the tempura roll. This one the
Prawn,
and avocado.
prawn, that too.
Yes. And then the sushi rice.
Sushi rice. Yes.
We put this. And I put the avocado. We put the garnish.
Excellent. It's looking beautiful.
And then we cut.
Yes. So sushi is ready.
Yeah.
So along with what you call it?
This one the soya kikoman. This the
Soya kikoman?
yeah kikoman and the ginger and the wasabi.
Sure.
We put the chili mayo. Yes.
So it's ready. So please give me one piece in my mouth by your good hands. By your good hands. Yes, yes, please. Yes, please. It's very delicious. Very delicious. You are very expert in sushi. Expert man. Why you good name?
Ram.
Ram. What does it mean? You are from where?
What does it mean?
You are from Bali?
I am from the Jakarta.
Well, Jakarta. You are good man. Thank you.
Thank you very much.